Hello, welcome back to Evergreen Organic Garden. Another beautiful day here in the garden with the tomatoes, with lots of ripe tomatoes on the vine to harvest. I'm harvesting few tomatoes right now, guys. I want to boil some tomatoes to extract the juice. You know I enjoy drinking tomato juice, right? So here I'm picking these tomatoes. It's time to get some tomato juice. Look at this beautiful, beauty. Oh my goodness. This one is not fully ripened, but I'll go ahead and get it out. Oops. We are finally getting some